Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Western Union account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Western Union app. Make sure you have downloaded the updated version, and then you're gonna choose the language that you prefer and tap on done at the bottom left and tap on ask app not to track for me. If you want to allow, you can allow it. Then you can directly tap on this option of join now, cross this out, and then afterwards you just have to tap on the join now section, and then you will be able to go through the steps. Tap on this continue for you to now go ahead, enter your email address. You can tap on you create your password and then tap on continue further. You will receive a code for you to verify your email. Once you have done that, you will be able to create yourself a Western Union account likewise over there, and you're good to go. That is basically the steps. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.